Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing. Turn off the alarm power and remove backup battery because live wiring will confuse everything. Once done, test the circuit with a multimeter to confirm 0 volts and gather the contact kit, screws, and wire stripper. Next, position the contact and magnet on the door and frame so they align with a small 1/8 to 1/4 inch gap. This spacing ensures reliable open/close detection. Now mark mounting holes and plan your wire route before drilling. You should mount the sensor and magnet next, drilling pilot holes and fastening them so the face-to-face surfaces meet when closed. Once mounted, route the sensor wires back to the alarm panel along clean paths. Avoid parallel runs with high-voltage lines which induce noise. Then strip about 1/4 inch of insulation and connect wires to the designated NC or no terminal. Most systems use normally closed. Secure with a terminal screw or crimp, and keep wire lengths tidy to prevent snagging. You finish by restoring power and placing the panel into zone test or learn mode so it recognizes the new input. Once done, gently open and close the door while watching the panel LED or status on the app to confirm fast, stable transitions. This proves correct wiring and alignment. If you get chatter or false alarms, make sure the gap is steady, swap NC and know if logic is wrong, reroute wires away from EMI, and tighten terminals. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.